The white and tan dog's doing a really good job right now of controlling that game of chase. When the third dog jumped in, all he did was stop and slow down in order to get the game back under control. And he's doing it again. As soon as that game starts to get a little bit too exciting, he stops. And you can really tell that the chocolate lab is getting excited by the game because the hair on her back is standing up. A lot of people think that that means that their dog's getting aggressive when their hair is standing up like that, but she's just really excited by the game. And Vincent's doing a really good job of letting her know when we can play and when it's time to take a break and catch her breath.